resolution. Then, next po, ito na yung resolve statement. Ang sabi dito, now, therefore, be it resolved, as it hereby resolved by the Sangguniang Kabataan to approve the appointment of Ms. Luz Biminda A. Pilipinas as Secretary of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Bungad, Quezon City. So, ito na po yun, iniinakta niya yung resolution. Ito na yung magiging output or mangyayari sa resolution. So, ito po yung ina-approve na niya yung pag-appoint kay Barangay Secretary, Barangay SK Secretary. So, ina-acknowledge ko nga pala yung aming City Director po, si Attorney Rolin Javier po, nasa likod po siya. So, wrap up na po tayo. So, ito po yung ang pag-usapan dito sa module na to. Number 1 po, KKA, SK and KK meetings. Conducting a meeting, before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting. Then, syempre, yung documentary output, ano yun? Minutes of the meeting and resolution.